Namaste and a very warm welcome to everyone. Today we are going to do a proper post-mortem of Viyash Life Sciences. Many of you are messaging me on WhatsApp asking, "Sir, what is the share price of Viyash? Can we buy it on Zerodha or Upstocks?" Beta, let me tell you straight away. As of this moment, Viyash is an unlisted entity. You will not find it on the NSE or BSE ticker tapes. It is still in the private space, so don't go hunting for it in your regular trading app. We will look at why it is creating such a hula-gula in the market and what you should know as an investor. Now, don't get confused thinking this is some small-time operation. Viyash is a big player in the API, that is, active pharmaceutical ingredients space. It is actually a platform company backed by the Carlyle Group, which is a global giant. They have been doing back-to-back acquisitions to build a massive integrated pharma business. From R&D to manufacturing, they are doing everything in-house only. They have over 10 manufacturing facilities already, so even if it's unlisted, the scale is like a mid-cap company already. They are focused on high-end chemistry, which is very good for long-term growth. Kindly note, there is a lot of shore in the gray market about a potential IPO, but as of today, the company has not filed its DRHP with SEBI. If someone tells you the IPO is coming next week, please don't believe such rumors blindly. Until the papers are filed, there is no official ticker or price band. It is purely a private company for now. If you are looking for the Viyash share price on Google Finance, you will get NA results only. We must wait for the official announcement from the promoters before we get too excited about the public issue. Let's talk Paisa. Even if they are private, we can see they are doing serious business. The estimated revenue is in the range of 500 plus crores. That is no joke. Their growth is roughly 25% year on year. This is the kind of damdar performance that attracts institutional investors. Their EBITDA margins are also quite robust because they have achieved economies of scale with those 10 factories. When a company hits this level of turnover, they usually start preparing for the Bada Dhamaka, the IPO, to give an exit to their private equity backers.
Now, if you are very shauqeen about buying unlisted shares, you have to look at the grey market. This is where shares are traded off-market before the listing. You can check various pre-IPO portals for the latest GMP, grey market premium. But do one thing, always check if the dealer is reputed. You will need your demat account for the transfer and it happens via corporate action. It is a bit tension wala work compared to regular trading, so please do your homework properly before putting your hard-earned money into these unlisted counters.
In India, SEBI is the big boss. Since Viyash is unlisted, they don't have to follow all the strict disclosure norms that Reliance or TCS follow. However, they still have to file their annual returns with the ROC, Registrar of Companies. If you want to be a smart investor, you should go to the MCA website and download their filings. Don't wait for someone else to tell you the cover. Once they filed a prospectus for the IPO, everything becomes shishe ki tarah saf, clear as glass. Until then, we rely on these official ROC filings for our research. Investment is not just about profit, it's about managing risk. In unlisted stocks like Viyash, liquidity is a very big bunga. You cannot just sell your shares at 3:30 p.m. like regular stocks. Your capital might get locked in for a long time. Also, remember the SEBI rule. Once the IPO happens, there is a 6-month lock-in period for pre-IPO investors. So if you are looking for fast cash, this is not for you. Only those with a long-term nazaria should enter here. It's high risk, but if the listing is a hit, the rewards can be bahut badhiya. To wrap it up, Viyash is a solid company with a very good pedigree, but it is currently unlisted. My advice? Keep it on your watch list only. Don't rush to buy from any random person in the gray market. Keep an eye on the financial news for any news of the DRHP filing. Do your due diligence properly. Check their debt levels and their growth plans. If you stay informed, you will be tension-free when the actual IPO arrives. Thank you for joining today. If you liked this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe. Cheers.